This is my outfit. I'm wearing denim shorts, a white tee, and my jacket, and this is the bag I'm taking. So yeah, let's get going. Good morning, you guys. So I am walking towards the St. Lawrence Farmers Market. Today is a Saturday, and today is when the farmers market happens. So I thought I'd come here, do some grocery shopping, and I've always wanted to go for a farmers market, so I'm so excited. So let's walk on over. So I just finished shopping at the farmers market. I've been there about an hour. I got some clips, but it's so chaotic. It's also so freaking beautiful inside. I obviously did end up getting a huge bunch of sunflowers. If you've been on this channel a while, or if you know me, you know that your girl loves her sunflowers. So I ended up getting a huge bunch of it, and like my bag is full. But yeah, I'm kind of done with this farmers market because I got everything that was on my list, and I ended up getting a little bit more as well. But yeah, I'm gonna head on home and probably drop this off and then go to the grocery store because I still have to like grocery shop. I haven't like properly grocery shopped, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna probably like make a haul out of it at the end. Okay, so I just got home from the market with my beautiful sunflowers. So I actually ended up getting a lot because, cute story, I actually helped a really old man with picking out his sunflowers. Like, he was like 70 years old and he couldn't like pick it up, so I helped him pick it up, and then he was like, would you like some flowers? Like, I want to give you some flowers. And I was like, oh my god, no, like it's fine, because I already bought my bunch. And he was like, no, I live alone and like I just want 2 flowers. So then he took 2 flowers out of his bunch and he gave me the rest. So I literally ended up getting like almost 2 bunches of sunflowers. Anyways, I'm out of breath because I just climbed up the stairs. Okay, so I just finished putting my sunflowers in a vase. So now I'm just gonna head downstairs. I actually left my grocery bag downstairs because I didn't want to like carry it all the way up because my kitchen is downstairs anyways. So I'm gonna head downstairs. I'm gonna haul everything that I got at the farmers market for you guys, and then I'm just gonna call my mom and make a meal plan for this week, like just figure out what I'm cooking this week. And then I'm gonna head to the grocery store and pick up all the ingredients that I need for the meals that I'm making this week. So my like game plan with the whole food thing is I'm gonna try to cook as much as I can because I do like the food that I make, and I also don't want to spend so much money on food from outside. So I'm just gonna make like I'm just gonna be buying ingredients just for like every week, like week to week, or I'm gonna be buying ingredients for like every 2 weeks. I don't want to buy ingredients for the whole month and have it get spoiled because the grocery store is really close to me, so I can go whenever I want. I don't want to buy excessive amounts of groceries. Let's go. Hi and welcome to my kitchen. This is one of my kitchens in the house. This is the basement kitchen, also the kitchen that I cook in. So welcome to my kitchen. You're gonna be seeing a lot of cook with me's and a lot of like videos in this kitchen, so get used to it. But yeah, today's video is gonna be a super fun grocery haul. Like you all saw, I went to the farmers market yesterday and I got a bunch of things that I wanted to haul for you guys, and I also ended up going to the grocery store today. I ended up going to a grocery store close to my house because I'm cooking tonight. So this video is actually going to be a grocery haul plus a cook with me. I am making jasmine rice with green curry, or at least I'm attempting to make jasmine rice with green curry. We shall see how that goes. Stay tuned. But yeah, I did get a bunch of groceries for what I'm cooking tonight, and I got some general fruits and veggies from the farmer's market and just some snacks. So yeah, this is just gonna be a haul and a cook with me. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and this doesn't turn out to be a disaster, because this is the first time I'm making a proper meal in this house by myself. Well, I know it's not gonna be bad because I go to culinary school and I love cooking, and I used to cook a lot in India as well. And Thai curry is one of the things my mom and dad used to really love that I used to make in India. So I'm super excited to do this. This kitchen's also so cute, so I'm really excited to be cooking in this kitchen. But yeah, if you want to see all the groceries that I got and you want to cook this meal with me, stay tuned and keep on watching. We're gonna start with the grocery haul and then move on to the cooking with Raash. I think we should title this Cooking with Raash. I don't know. Leave comments of ideas for what this should be called, what the series of cooking with me should be called. I don't know. Right now I'm just gonna leave it as Cooking with Raash, but if y'all do happen to come up with anything more creative, I'm gonna use it. So leave it in the comments down below what this series of cooking with me should be called, and I will pick the best one that y'all come up with. But yeah, let's get on to this video, and if you want to see what I got from the grocery store, keep on watching. The first thing I got was this. It is the Thai jasmine rice. I got this at a grocery store called Fresh Basic. But this is the first thing that I got. This is jasmine rice for the Thai curry and jasmine rice that I'm making tonight. Next thing I got is extra virgin coconut oil. I just use it for everything. I use this for cooking a lot and on my skin and all of that stuff. So coconut oil is an essential for me. Next thing I got is this. It is vegetable oil. This is just for like deep frying stuff. I got some spreadable butter. It's just for my toast, etc. So the next thing I got was just table salt. Whoops, this is broken. There's salt everywhere on my counter now. I'm gonna have to clean that up. But I got some table salt and some pepper. This is just, I think, like a peppercorn medley of like a couple of different kinds of pepper. I'm brown. I need my seasoning. I love my spice. So that. What else did I not haul? I got some coconut milk. This is for the Thai curry that I'm making tonight. And I also got some Thai curry paste. I picked this up at one of the local vendors. They're called Saha, and they basically make like pastes and mixes and sauces. Now I'm gonna move on to the grocery, like fruits and veggies part of it. I got some broccoli today for the Thai curry. I actually don't like a lot of vegetables in my Thai curry. I'm that kind of person that only eats the curry part of it and there's just like vegetables left over, so I didn't want to put a lot of vegetables and just throw it out because I'm not gonna eat it. Limes, I just got some green limes for like lemonade or just seasoning stuff, so I got 2 of those. Next thing I got are these lemons. I got 3 lemons. I have a habit of drinking warm water with lemon in it in the morning. It's really good for your body and your skin, so I just got some lemon for that. I got some baby carrots. These are so cute. Look at it, you guys. It's adorable. So I got these baby carrots just to snack on while I'm studying, or like it's just a really easy snack to pack for college. Like it's a very to-go snack. So some days I don't get time to eat breakfast or even eat lunch, eat meals at college. So that is really good for that. I ended up getting a couple of corns at the farmer's market yesterday. Then I got some apples. I got 2 green apples and 2 red ones. I love apples. I eat an apple every day, so I got that. The next thing that I got are these strawberries. Look at it. I got these strawberries at the farmer's market yesterday. Oh, I also, the last thing that I got are these grapes. These are the red seedless grapes that I got. I got a bag of this. It's all trial and error when you're living alone. But yeah, I'm just gonna put all of this away, and then we're gonna start prepping for dinner. So now we're gonna move on to the cooking part of it. Now that I'm done putting all the things away, the first thing I'm gonna do is actually make the steamed rice for the Thai curry. This is probably the only thing I'm super nervous about, is because I've never made rice on my own before, and I'm using my friend's like Asian rice cooker thing. Shout out to Angela if you're watching this. Thanks girl for letting me use your rice cooker. Let's see how this turns out. I'm just thinking of making a cup of rice, and then we'll see. If I need more, I'll make more during the week, because this is a huge experiment and I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So yeah, wish me luck, you guys. First thing we're gonna do is make this rice, and this thing actually says for every cup of rice you need 1.5 cups of water. So give me a second.
A few moments later.
So I do have these cups at the house. Let's go. Is that enough rice? Yeah, I'm just gonna make 1.5 cups of rice, and then we'll see how that goes. Never mind. 1 cup of water. It has to be double the water than the rice, so this looks about right to me. Okay, I'm gonna do it the way my mom taught me to do it. I don't know what this recipe thing is telling me, but my mom usually washes the rice once and then puts it in so it doesn't become too starchy and thick. Okay, so I just washed the rice and I filled some water. It looks about right to me. Again, I'm not sure. We're just gonna have to try it out and see if it works. Okay, so this is Angela's cooker that we're trying to figure out how to use. She said it's pretty simple. I just called her up and asked her how to do it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put the rice into it. I don't know if it's doing anything. Oh, it's not even plugged in. What the heck is wrong with me? I'm gonna FaceTime Angela and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I think I figured out how to use the rice cooker. I had to call Angela up and ask her if I'm doing it right. I FaceTimed her and I showed her the cooker and she said it's right. So fingers crossed that turns out okay. We're gonna move on to making my Thai curry. I should stop doing that, sorry. This is gonna be a very basic Thai curry. So I'm just gonna chop up all my vegetables. That's basically the broccoli, the corn, some onion and some carrots. That's all the vegetables that I'm putting in. That's honestly a lot of vegetables for me already. So yeah, I'm just gonna time lapse this and I'll see y'all on the other side when my vegetables are all chopped up. Ow, my eyes are burning. A cook with me video. It's gonna become a cook with us. Are you making tacos?
I will be soon.
This is Frida.
Hi guys.
Frida's the other brown girl in the house. I'm gonna drink some lemon iced tea while I make my dinner. That's the tea. Okay, now we're gonna cook this up. So let's go on over to this side and we're gonna get cooking. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put in some coconut oil. I just like coconut oil. I think it's a brown thing.
It is.
It's gonna add in some of the chilies that I sliced up. My onions. So, is this a lot of smoke? I don't know what contributes to a lot of smoke. Okay, so just put in all of my onions, add in all my broccolis into it. I'm just gonna add in the curry paste that I got into this. A little apprehensive. Okay.
Clamp it, and then you turn it.
That's what it looks like. I just added all the coconut milk into it. Oh my god! I made rice! It's cooked at the bottom! You guys, look! I made rice. Mama, are you proud? It's actual rice. I thought it was like not cooked in the bottom, but it's cooked all the way through. But it doesn't look too bad, you guys. It does look really nice and it tastes really nice. Put some of the rice into this container. This is like extra rice that I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. But look, there's some rice here. And this is the curry. Are we excited?
So excited.
First meal in the house. So excited too. It's just
It's
just a little salty, but besides that, I feel like we're good.
It smells really good.
It's just the salt. I think it's good otherwise. It just needs more spice. Or is it spicy? It kicks in at the end, but it's not spicy at first.
It's not that salty either.
Really? I felt like it was really salty. I put in a little extra salt because I eat it really salty. But I also think the coconut milk that I got was salty. Yeah, the spice does kick. The spice does kick in. It's like when you taste it first, you're like, there's no spice. Not bad. Look, now I'm eating my veggies. We're gonna go enjoy this meal. I'm gonna film me doing the dishes after, so you know the struggles of living alone without your parents. You have to do your dishes yourself. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave any more video ideas you have in the comments down below. If you want Frida on my channel more, say we love Frida in the comment section, and I will convince Frida to do more videos with me. But yeah, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell icon. This is actually the first time I'm doing this with like someone sitting beside me. Click the bell icon if you haven't already, so you're notified every time I post new videos. But yeah, we're just gonna eat our meal and I will see you in the next video. Bye!